Google Antigravity versus Vscode. Which software tool is more powerful? Google Antigravity is the new AI-first coding platform, but can it beat Vscode, the world's most popular IDE? Let's compare. Antigravity is built for the AI era. It lets developers use natural language commands, sync agents across editor, terminal, and browser, and automate workflows. VS Code is the most widely adopted IDE. It supports dozens of languages, has thousands of extensions, and integrates seamlessly with GitHub and enterprise workflows. Anti-gravity is new and niche with pricing not widely disclosed. VS Code is free, open source, and backed by millions of developers worldwide. For experimental AI-driven workflows, anti-gravity is more innovative. For everyday coding, enterprise projects, and education, VS Code remains more powerful overall. And that is the truth about Google Anti-Gravity versus VS Code. Choose the tool that matches your workflow.